Welcome to my class. In this class, we will talk about BCD code. BCD code refers to binary coded decimal code. Binary coding system. It is used for all types of English language characters, and basically there are three types of coding. First one, BCD, binary coded decimal code. Second one, ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Third, ABCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. But in this class, our focus will be on BCD code, that is binary coded decimal code. Before that, we need to understand some of the basics. Like we talk to computers in English language. Whatever instruction we intend to pass to the computers, that is in English language. But our computer does not understand English language. It understands binary language. We write in English and it is converted into binary. Computer processes it in binary and returns back the result in English language. This relationship between our language and computer language can be represented by two ways. The first one is pure binary system. This system is used for numbers only. And the second one is binary coding system. It is used for all English language characters. Let us look at details. The data representation can be made by two ways. One is pure binary system, which is used for numbers only. Like we have decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. These are the four pure binary number systems. On the other hand, we have binary coding system, which is used for English language characters, and it can be divided into three parts. The first one is BCD, binary coded decimal code. The second one is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The third one is ABCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. But in this particular session, we will talk about binary coded decimal code in detail. And it can be further divided into two parts, BCD for decimal numbers only and BCD for all characters. Pure binary system can be used only to represent numeric numbers, whereas actual data in a business is a combination of these, like numeric 0 to 9, alphabet A to Z, and some special symbol like @ percentage, colon, hash, etc. In order to represent the different types of characters, different types of coding systems are used. If we only need to represent numeric numbers, then we shall be using for pure binary system. But if we need to represent numeric alphabets and special symbol, then in that case, we shall be using binary coding system. We know that computer works with the help of electricity. And electricity has two phases. Electricity can be either on or off. Now here you can see that when the circuit gets connected, it is 1, that is electricity is on. When the circuit is disconnected, it becomes 0. Anything which is represented by two phases, that can be termed as binary. So electricity is represented by binary, that is two phases. We started using two digits to represent these two phases. On state and off state can be represented by digits. On is represented by digit 1 and off is represented by 0. Therefore, electricity can be represented by binary digits. Now we take out BI from binary and TS from digits and combine them to make it bits. It means bits is a combination of two words, that is binary digits. We have taken BI from binary and TS from digits. Now we can say that electricity is represented by bits. One electrical switch can either be on or off. Now see with the help of this diagram that how does it actually works. When electricity is off, it is 0, and when electricity is on, it is 1. See it once again. When the electricity is off, it is 0. The moment it is switched on, electricity is termed as 1. Or we can say it is on. Therefore, one electrical switch can perform two unique functions, that is 1 or 0. 1 means on, 0 means off. If one electrical switch can perform two functions, then two electrical switches in combination can perform four unique functions. For example, both electrical switches can be on, off, on, and off. These are the four functions which can be determined by two electrical switches. So two electrical switches can perform four unique functions in combination. In other words, we can say 2 raised to power 2 is equivalent to 4. Three electrical switches in combination can perform 8 unique functions. For example, all the three switches are on. First switch is on, second and third switch are off. First switch is on, second is off, third is on, and so on. In this case, we find that three electrical switches in combination can have 8 unique functions. We can put it like this: 2 raised to power 3, that is equivalent to 8. Now, we learned that if there are three electrical switches, then in combination they can have 8 unique functions. Similarly, if we have 4 electrical switches, then we can generate 16 unique functions. Similarly, 5 electrical switches, then 2 raised to power of 5, it becomes 32 unique functions. And in case we have 6 electrical switches, 2 raised to power 6, then the total number of unique function becomes 64. It means we can assign these 64 unique functions to 64 unique characters. Now we are going to move to our main subject. In the binary coding system, the first one is BCD, binary coded decimal. In the binary coded decimal, there are two number systems, BCD for decimal numbers only and BCD for all types of characters. BCD for numbers only. Each decimal digit is represented by equivalent 4-digit binary numbers. Numbers larger than 9 having 2 or more digits in the decimal system, they are expressed digit by digit. For example, the BCD version of the base 10 number 4890 is 0100 1000 1001 0000. This is the representation. The binary equivalents of 4, 8, 9 and 0 always in a 4-digit format go from left to right. Now move on to the next part, BCD for all types of characters. List of digit representation in 6 bits BCD code. In this BCD system, we make use of 6 electrical switches which are capable of generating 64 unique functions which can be assigned to 64 unique characters. Therefore, BCD is a 6 bits coding system where each and every character is represented by 6 bits. This is the list of alphabets representation in 6 bits BCD code. This is only for the purpose of reference. Thank you very much.